Makai and I experienced an online class together. We want to share some tips to help you with online discussions.
Sometimes it's hard to feel personally involved in an online class. Make asynchronous discussions personally meaningful by connecting the topic to something you're passionate about. For me, that was mental health.
Asynchronous discussions are more fun if you're actively engaged. Stay active by purposefully planning 5 or 10 minutes each day to engage with discussion.
Sometimes you can feel alone in an online class. Make a friend or two by acknowledging their comments and asking more about it. That way, you find shared interests.
Instructors like to talk in online discussions too. Make sure to respond to your instructor and help them feel included in the class conversation.
Sometimes it's easy to tune out of an asynchronous online discussion. Avoid that by using fun photos, videos, tweets, and links related to the discussion. Here are a few of my favorites.